How would it feel if you could convert any basic audio into mesmerizing videos that audience love in just 3 clicks? Even when you're enjoying in the mountains or sipping your favorite cappuccino. And ultimately, get 10 times more audience engagement and conversion. Without doing anything by your side, and the coolest part, you could put this on repeat mode and create pro-quality video for days, weeks, months, and even years to come, on red-hot topics with zero grunt work. I'm talking about a revolutionary technology that uses artificial intelligence to convert any existing audio piece into mind-blowing videos for any offer in any niche, without investing tons of hours or paying tons of money to expensive freelancers. Unless you're living on Mars, you must be aware that converting audios into scroll-stopping videos is the next big thing in the customer engagement universe. And more than 76% of Fortune 500 companies are already using them secretly in their marketing arsenal to get maximum audience hooked. Check out the following numbers that amazed us as well. Videos on social media platforms are shared 12 times more frequently than text and images combined. 89% individuals accept that viewing a video has influenced them to buy a product or service. 90% of marketers credit video for lead generation. 21% of marketers will tap into short-form video for the first time in 2023. Short-form video ad revenue will surpass $10 billion. 73% of customers prefer watching a short-form video to find out about a service or product. 86% of marketers attribute increased website traffic to video. 51% of people are more likely to share a video with their friends compared to every other type of content marketing. So, it's crystal clear that converting any audio into 100% fresh videos online is a widely untapped opportunity, and marketers can bank in big by tapping into this huge industry. Now, if you too are willing to grab your pie from this huge opportunity, I've got some great news for you today. Proudly presenting AISonicStudio. First to market, AI tech converts any voiceover, audio files, podcasts, or any other recordings into pro-quality videos for any offer in any niche. In under 60 seconds, without writing scripts, without creating videos, without recording voiceovers, or without purchasing expensive tools. With this by your side, creating and selling attention-grabbing studio-style videos for any offer in any niche becomes a cakewalk. Just follow 3 easy steps to get started. Step 1. Log in. To get started, just log in into this masterpiece and use artificial intelligence to convert any audio, podcast, or existing sound piece into professional videos that leave your audience stunned. Step 2. Upload audio. Now, upload the MP4 file, audio, podcast, recording, or any other sound clip from which you're looking to create a video, and watch our proprietary AI tech create pro-level videos in a few clicks of your mouse. Remember, no wasting hours manually creating and editing videos, hiring expensive freelancers, writing scripts, creating boring videos, or recording voiceovers. Step 3. Sell and profit. Boom, you're done. Now share or embed these industry-leading videos on top social media platforms and see boatloads of dollars flowing in like never before. Want to know more? Check out some of the game-changing features inside AISonicStudio, world's first and only AI tech converts any audio, recordings, or audio files into mind-blowing videos. Amazing, never seen before. Tech creates pro-quality videos without you even lifting a finger. Instantly, turn your audio inputs into publish-worthy videos in under 60 seconds. Convert any MP4 or basic audio into stunning, pro-level videos for any offer in any niche. Leverage the huge power of AI to automate video creation for you. Transform any ideas or outdated audio piece into professional AI videos in minutes. Convert audio files to eye-catchy videos and maximize content engagement on all your channels. Smartly reach global audience by creating videos in 100+ languages spoken globally. Get thousands of built-in templates to create studio-quality videos in seconds. Repurpose your audio files into subtitles, captions, or videos in minutes. Get one-click customization with large media library that covers almost all niches. Easy-to-use video editor that makes video editing a cakewalk for all. Get 10 times more traction by embedding your stunning videos anywhere you like. Zero video creation, zero voice-over recording, zero third parties, and zero freelancers needed. Limited-time commercial license included to provide red-hot services. Also, you're also getting our limited-time commercial license for no additional fee to provide high-in-demand services to hungry clients and banking big. So, be sure to take advantage of this while it's available at this crazy low one-time discounted price. Also, if you grab your copy today, you get premium bonuses worth $16,858 completely for free. As always, your purchase is backed by our rock-solid 30-day guarantee. There's no risk whatsoever attached. Don't forget, this is a limited-time offer and will be taken down at any moment of time. So, don't wait. Hit the button below to get instant access to AISonicStudio right now. Good luck, and we look forward to help you convert any existing audio into stunning videos and get 10 times audience attention, hands down.